Today's video post is actually going to be a pretty short one. Just wanted to show you around some of the scenes here in Prescott, Arizona at Pointer Rocks Campground and at Watson Lake. It's been a gorgeous weekend, and I'm going to say the RV season is in full swing here. This park is full. We've had beautiful blue skies, wonderful temperatures, everything you want in an RV camping weekend. So I just thought I'd put together some of the scenes from this weekend and have you come along and just see what it's looking like here and maybe inspire you to get out next weekend. So it is the season. It's definitely the RV camping season. It's any kind of camping season right now. And we've got great weather up here in Prescott, and there's a lot of great weather all around. So if you can't get into Arizona, take a quick trip out wherever you are. Okay, so I'm not going to keep you guys too long. Like I said, this is just a really quick video. I just wanted to bring you along, show you around a little bit, have a little fun with the video this weekend. Also, I stumbled across a really fun and cute song that you've already heard part of. And if you're looking to license any audio online, there is a link down in the description to Soundstripe. I've got to tell you, I absolutely love them, and the audio that I've gotten from them over this year has just been awesome for all of these vlogs. All right, with that, I'm going to go get ready because even though it's an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful weekend and there's so much to do in the Prescott area, we haven't seen the movie Infinity Wars yet. And so with that in mind, we're actually going to an early showing today, and we'll still be out in plenty of time to enjoy the rest of this awesome weekend. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy the scenery. And I hope you enjoy the really fun song that's going along with the whole video today. I'll see you guys later.
It's okay.